Hi friends, this is Gautam. In this video tutorial, I am going to discuss about how to read BGP table. So we can see this is my example scenario. Here I am using 4 router as well as I am using 4 AS number. So AS number 1, AS number 2, AS number 3 and AS number 4. So as per the diagram, I will configure the IP address and I will configure the eBGP routing protocol between all the 4 routers. So in R1 router, I just advertise 1.1.1/24 network loopback network into BGP. So we can see the configurations for BGP. So this is a straightforward configuration. So in R1 router, just router BGP1, I am giving pairing IP AS number 2 as well as AS number 3, and I just advertise 1.1.1.0 and mask/24. In R2 router, just assign that IP address. I will configure the pairing between R1 as well as R4. So in R3 router, pairing between R1 as well as R4, and R4 router I will configuring pairing between R2 as well as R4. So this all configuration I done. So just go to the putty. So here I am giving show IP BGP. So here 1.1.1.0/24 network. So in front it's showing star greater than. So star means it's a valid route. So BGP can able to use that route. So next to one greater than. So this greater than symbol indicates this is the best path. So if it's best path means it should be present in the routing table. If it's star only means it's valid route but it won't present in the routing table. Okay, so next to 0.0.0. So the 0.0.0 indicates this network is originated from this router only. So that's why next to should be in 0.0.0.0. So originate means in router BGP we can give network and can even network ID and mask. So likewise we can advertise. So that's why next to should be in 0.0.0. So next one, metrics, local preference and weight. So these three are attributes. So based upon the attributes also it will select the best path. So these attributes we can discuss separate video session. So next one, path. So path indicates AS path. So this 1.1.1 network is originated from this router itself. So that's why here it will give an origin code as I. So I means this network is advertised through network command. So that's why is I. But the table refers interior gateway protocol. So we are not using any interior gateway protocol. So next one, in BGP, if you are redistribute any other network means it will be showing question mark incomplete. If it's incomplete means that network is redistributed in BGP. So E, we never see E because we are not using any exterior gateway protocol. So we are using only BGP. So we cannot see E. Okay, let's show it to you. Do show IP route BGP. Okay, because this is a direct connected network, so that's why it's not showing. Just go to R2 router. In R2 router, I will show it to you. Do show IP BGP. Next, do show IP route BGP. So here we can see this is a valid and best path. So that's why it present in the routing table. So that's why it's showing B. So here next stop means through this next stop only I learned this network. Here we can see path. So I learned this network from autonomous system 1. So here we can see. So in R2 router I learned 1.1 network from AS number 1. So that's why it's showing here AS path 1. So let's go to the R4 router. So in R4 router, the 1.1.1 network I can learn through R2 router as well as R3 router. So just go to the R4 router. I will show it to you. Show IP BGP. So here we can see I have two entry. So one is I can learn from AS number 3, 1, 3, then 4. Another one is a 1, 2. So either I can learn from 1, 2 or 1, 3. So there are two paths are there. But the valid path and best path is 1, 2. That is R1, R2. This is the best path. Here we can see 3. So it will goes to 3, from 3 to 1. So another path is it goes to 2, from 2 it will goes to 1. So likewise we can read it. So here two entries are there, but here this one 192.168.20.2, that next hop is a best path. So if I'm giving show IP route BGP, so that entry should be present in the routing table. Here we can see 192.168.20.2. Once that path goes down, it will be this one select as a best path. Okay, so next one here we can see show IP BGP, show IP BGP summary. So here the BGP table version is 7. So each and every time the best path is changing, the table BGP table version is incremented, and also a router ID. So it will take it as an physical interface IP, which one is highest, it will take it as a router ID. Otherwise we have to configure manually. So local AS number, we are using AS number 7. So next one, show IP BGP. Here there are a lot of status codes are there. These status codes have different meaning. So first one is a suppressed. So suppressed means BGP learned this network but it won't advertise. This can occur. This network is a part of summary. For an example, in BGP, if you are doing some summarization, so that time that particular network is a part of summarization means we can see it as a suppressed. So next one, damped. Damped means BGP won't advertise this network because this network is appear disappear, appear disappear. It's like an flapping. So that time it will looks as an damped. So if you want to know about this concept means check out my YouTube channel. I already upload this concept. So next one is tree. So BGP learned this network, but right now we don't know the valid route. We don't have the valid route. So that's time it will showing as a hedge. So next one, RIP failure. So RIP failure means BGP learned this network. BGP learned this network and some other routing protocol also, some other routing protocol with lower AD value also learn this network. So that time it will be showing as a RIP failure. So you should remember this RIP failure. So whenever you are configuring BGP, often you can see this one. So that means, so BGP, so some other routing protocol also learn that same network with lower AD value. So that time it's showing RIP failure. So next one, stall. So stall is used for non-stop forwarding. So this is used to refresh whenever the remote BGP pairing has returned. So that time we can see stall. So star is a valid route, I already told you, and greater than is a best path. Okay, so now using BGP looking glass. So this is a looking glass server, I already told you in that introduction itself. So here there are a lot of public servers are there. So using public servers we can check that routing table. So if you have internet connection, just open putty. So in that putty, so you have to give route hyphen views. So route hyphen views dot optus dot net dot au. So this is a telnet, then give open. So it will open the public server. So just give route. Okay, so route hyphen views dot optus dot net dot au. So telnet, you have to give telnet and open. Just give telnet. For that I have to check. Okay, so there is a problem with internet connection, that's why it's not open. So I have to give route hyphen views dot optus dot net dot au. Okay, okay, just connected to my internet. Okay, it's connected. Now we can open. Okay, route hyphen views dot optus dot net dot au telnet. Okay, so this is the public server, BGP looking glass server for Australia, Sydney. Here we can see. So here I'm going to give show IP BGP summary. Enter. So here we can see this is a public server. So we can use only show commands. Okay. So these are the pairings, and also here I am giving show IP BGP. So these are the routes. So just go upper. Here we can see BGP table version. So this is a huge number. So this much of time the BGP best path has changed, and this is a route ID. So here we can see 1.0.0/24 network have this much of entry. So here we can see AS path 7474, then 4826, then 13335. So we have 1 2 3 4 5 valid routes are there. In that valid routes, this one is a take it as a best path. So that's why here we can see star greater than symbol. So if I'm going here, show IP route BGP show IP BGP. So here we can see. So this is a public server. So we have huge entry. So just I will take it as a one network. Here we can see it will going like that. This is a full public network, public server. So we have huge network. So just we can take it as a one network. So okay, show IP BGP. Okay, so we can take it as a one network. There are 5 entries are there. Based upon that, which one is the best path, it will take it as a greater than symbol, that best path only that entry only present in the routing table. Okay, so you can also, if you have internet connection, just open putty and you can check it, this one. So again I am going to that simulation mode. So we have two entries are there, show IP BGP 1.1.1.1, enter. So here we can see we have two paths. So one is going to autonomous system 3. From autonomous system 3 it will going via 1, this is a one path. And second one is we have to go to autonomous system 2. From 2 we can go to 1, this is the best path. So in the 2 entry here itself it will mention best, which one is the best. So we can see show IP BGP 1.1.1, it will showing that best path. Here we can see. Okay. Okay friends, so I hope you can understand how to read the BGP table. So each and every attributes have some different meaning, so you should know that meaning, then only it's easy for troubleshoot and everything. Okay friends, if you have any queries, please ping me in the comment section, I will be replied to your query. Thank you friends, thank you for watching my videos. Subscribe my channel for further updates.